6 ways to stop heart palpitations at home. Have you ever experienced the feeling of a pounding heart? The sensation of a racing pulse is very common among people. Most of the people are really scared because of heart palpitations, and it seems as if the heart is about to give up. People often say that they feel the pulse in their chest or neck, which lasts only for a few seconds. You may experience the heart palpitations anytime, no matter you are sitting, standing, or laying down. You don't need to worry about it because not all the heart palpitations are due to heart conditions. At times, these palpitations are due to factors like stress, dehydration, excessive use of alcohol, and others. Here, I will discuss 6 simple ways on how to stop heart palpitations at home. Number 1. Relaxation techniques. If you feel a fast heartbeat, then it can be due to stress. All you need to do is to try some relaxation techniques such as meditation, yoga, and Tai Chi. You should try taking a slow breath all the way from your nostrils and then take it out through your mouth. Repeat it a few times and then you will feel relaxed. When your stress will be under control, then you feel relaxed and you will have managed heart palpitations. The easiest way to begin is some exercise at home or spend some quality time outdoors and find pleasure in nature. In this way, you remain positive and your stress will also be under control. Number 2. Drink water. At times, the heart palpitations are because of dehydration. When you are dehydrated, then your blood becomes thicker and it feels difficulty in moving through your veins. So, it results in an increased heart rate leading to palpitations. Therefore, always keep yourself hydrated and drink as much fluid as you can to avoid heart palpitations. Number 3. Avoid excessive use of alcohol. Using alcohol in moderation does not cause an increased heart rate. However, when you use it in excessive amounts, then there is a risk of developing atrial fibrillation. The use of stimulants that include caffeine, tobacco products, drugs for the treatment of mental illness, and so many others definitely increase your heartbeat. So, you must eliminate the use of alcohol from your routine to have a healthy heart. Number 4. Exercise. Exercise is the best technique to manage your heart palpitations, and it is the best solution for all kinds of problems. Cardio workout is the best way to restore your normal heartbeat. You can do any kind of exercise that suits, such as running, walking, jogging, biking, or swimming. The cardiovascular exercises are important because they strengthen your heart and helps to reduce heart palpitations. Number 5. Vagal maneuvers. People with an increased heartbeat should try vagal maneuvers, and by doing so, the vagus nerve that connects your brain to your heart is stimulated. There are so many ways to stimulate the vagus nerve at home. When you cough hard, then it stimulates the vagus nerve, and in this way, it controls your heartbeat. Taking a cold shower is the best way to stimulate your vagus nerve, as the shock of cold water is a natural stimulant for the vagus nerve. You need to talk to your doctor and then he will explain to you the right way of performing vagal maneuvers. Number 6. Keeping electrolytes balanced. Electrolytes are the molecules that transfer electrical signals. These molecules are present throughout the human body. You can boost the number of electrolytes in your body by eating the foods rich in sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Through your diet, you can increase the number of electrolytes in your body by consuming leafy green vegetables, nuts, fish, potatoes, and fruits. You can also use supplements in this case, but make sure you consult with the doctor.
Anyways, let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today. Thank you. Have a nice day.